Renoworks Review, App: the pros, the cons. If you're in the construction or remodeling industry, Renoworks promises to simplify visualization and client presentations, but does it live up to the hype? One of the biggest pros is its November 19th, 2025 visualization capabilities. Most people get this wrong by assuming remodeling apps only provide basic renderings. Renoworks allows you to create realistic models of homes, showing changes in roofing, siding, windows, and more. This helps clients see exactly what their project will look like before work begins. The app also improves communication. You can share designs with clients, allow them to make selections, and receive feedback directly within the platform. For example, a homeowner can experiment with different color schemes or materials, making the decision process much faster and more interactive. Another advantage is accuracy. Renoworks uses precise measurements and material libraries, which helps avoid errors during installation and reduces costly mistakes. It also streamlines the quoting process, saving time for contractors. However, there are cons. Some users note that the app requires a learning curve, especially for those not familiar with November 19th, 2025 modeling. Additionally, high-quality renderings may require a robust device, and the cost of the full software could be a barrier for smaller businesses. In conclusion, Renoworks is ideal for contractors and designers who want to impress clients with realistic project visualizations. The surprising truth is that while it can significantly enhance presentations and efficiency, it requires some tech savviness and investment to use effectively. For anyone seeking a professional tool to bring remodeling projects to life, Renoworks delivers a powerful, intuitive, and visually impressive solution.